Hi fashion designer, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this kimono boo top. It is very easy and quick to make. So if you want to know how it is done, stay tuned and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So you're going to start with your folded fabric, and I folded it into 4 layers. So right here on top, I'm going to start by imputing my shoulder measurement, which is half of shoulder. And then I went ahead and I measured half of my armhole round, which is right here. So right on this point, I'm going to mark quarter of my bust round circumference plus 1 inch. So the 1 inch is going to be for ease. And then right here on the top, I'm going to mark from shoulder to waist. And then I'm going to mark from waist to hip, which is 8 inches. So I've got these marking over here. Now remember the first one, I did say quarter of bust plus 1 inch. Now on the waist, you want to mark quarter of waist circumference plus 1 inch of ease, because this top I want it to be loose. So I'm going to connect these 2 points over here. And then moving on, we're going to mark right here from waist to hip. We're going to mark quarter of your hip round circumference plus 1 inch. And then you're going to connect these 2 from the waist to the hip line, just like this. Now, once you're done marking these lines, I just want to transfer this. So one thing I haven't mentioned is make sure that you mark this top on the correct side of your fabric. So over here, I'm marking the neckline, which is 3 inches depth and 3-inch wide. So I'm just going to cut out the neckline. And then once I'm done, I want to mark the other side of my fabric. I'm going to open it like this, fold it into half, and just tap the chalk so that it can be transferred onto the other side. And once you can see the markings, I'm just going to highlight them. Again, this is actually the correct side of the fabric. That's where I'm doing all these markings. So once you're done, you want to go ahead and sew a straight stitch right around these lines. And then once you're done doing that, you want to go ahead and fold 1/2 inch seam allowance all around on the side and also to the other side. For the neckline, you want to finish it off with a bias tape. You can choose any color of your bias tape, and then you can sew it around the neckline. So I want to open up a small opening right on the front just to create a nice design over here. And I'm just going to cover off the rough edges with the bias tape also. So this is how it's going to look. I'm just going to make sure that I mark the middle of the bias tape and then leave the strings just hanging. And this is the final result. I'm really loving this outfit. It's giving, and the fact that it's so free to dance in it, I mean, why not? So see you on the next one.